Let's jump into this. Here we go. I'm looking currently at a 4 hour chart on GEU at the moment. I've just decided to focus on GEU at the moment whilst the market's still getting into a full swing. I think I'm looking at April to start trading Euro USD again as the main pair, and gold we're probably looking around April too, because gold's in a bit of a funny place at the moment. It's still recovering from all its weird consolidation. But looking at this at the moment, this is one tap, two taps in, and then a brush past. So this is already a completely filled in zone. You actually had a push up, push down, and then a second push down. So this is totally filled in. This fair value gap through here. If we're looking coming down, we've just sort of jumped off a cliff here. We could come see a little bit of a retest, but we're just bearish at the moment. I've been bearish probably since this first push up through here on GU actually. There's nothing really going on to the left hand side that would stop us from going down either. And I think the first midterm target is 1.26813. I think we can easily reach that today in the London session. Now I'll just go into the 1 hour chart. Nothing else really exciting happening there. If we're looking at GU on the 30-minute right now, we'll go 90-minute. That's a bit of an interesting chart. So GU on the 90-minute, nothing special. Go to the 30-minute. See what's happening here. Reading the tape, we've consistently lower high, lower low, lower high. 30-minute push up. Currently on the 30 mins, I don't see any inefficient price action. It looks like everyone wants to get rid of the British pound at the moment ahead of the inflation data. We could come through and test sort of this zone and come in to, I'd say, this area through here would be nice for it to come and touch and then bounce back off. As I said, there's no real inefficiencies here. And then if we just pull I'll drag the DXY onto the up here, and we'll be able to take a look at that. Here you go, DXY. Clean chart on a MacBook. So DXY on the daily, it's going up. I'm very bullish on DXY. I think it's going to gun for these levels within the next week potentially, maybe next 2 weeks. It's at least going to take out this high, 104.289 this week is what I'm thinking. And it's probably going to do it during the CPI data. So we're going to get close. We definitely will. But we might play around in this zone for a bit. On the 4 hour chart, we're likely going to come up and at least test up into here today. This is probably our daily target. Right up through there on the DXY, 104.032. Jump onto the 30-minute chart. A lot of upward momentum. Is that a gap? That is indeed a gap. Ideally, price would come down here into this gap and you could bounce off it, but it looks like it's already tested this gap. Jumping down, we are then looking for price to sort of come into this zone here, between here and here, for potential entries, probably at the closer to the extremity, and you'd want your stops around about there, targeting sort of that high up there on the DXY at the moment. And that's pretty much all I have for it. We could also reverse at London and start coming down for a big deep retracement. It looks like there's quite a bit of appetite for that with all this volume that pumped through, didn't really return, volume pumped through, didn't really return. Let's see.